Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix a failed firmware update on your Logitech G512 X 75. So, first of all, you can always relaunch an update by going to the G Hub application, selecting your keyboard, going to Settings in the bottom left corner, then selecting General and clicking Update if this option is not grayed out. If it's grayed out and you think it's not supposed to be, you can try to relaunch your G Hub by closing this window, right-clicking the taskbar, going to Task Manager, and closing all the processes related to Logitech, like CrashPad handler. We have right here, right-click it, and task, and do it with each crash handler, then do it with G Hub, then do it with LG Hub Agent and Updater, as well as Game Launcher. Okay, that seems enough. And now try relaunching your G Hub. Once you reopen it, go back to your keyboard settings, General, Update. Check whether the update is available here. If not, you can also check your software for updates by going to General Settings right here and selecting Updates and clicking Check for Update. But if you don't have any, what you can do instead is press the combination of Windows and X keys on your keyboard. Then you will see something like this on your screen. You have to select Device Manager. Scroll down to Universal Serial Bus Controllers, expand this list and find G512 X 75 here. And then try to uninstall this device and also attempt to remove the driver for this device. Click on Install, then restart your computer, then relaunch the G Hub application and see if it started working. And if not, let's try to perform a factory reset of our keyboard. And in order to do that, we're gonna have to unplug the keyboard. Then we're gonna have to press the Logitech, the escape key, and F1 key. Okay, I picked a wrong angle. F1, F3, and F5, like this. And while holding these buttons together, plug in the cable. Okay, and now your keyboard will of course start by turning blue, and if it turns your default color and not purple one, we can try once again. Unplug the keyboard, press those keys once again, replug it in, and then wait until your keyboard turns purple. Usually takes about 10 seconds. Then you can release those keys. This will make your keyboard inactive. And now you're gonna have to wait for this animation to end, then this one animation to end, and by the end of this animation we'll be able to unplug the keyboard, then plug it back in, and it will actually start working properly. Okay, almost done. Okay, and now we can unplug the keyboard, plug it back in, and it will start working right away. And that's it for this video. I hope that it helps you. If it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.